On this new tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not opening in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do to fix this problem, you have to do only three things. First thing, you have to open the settings, go to the apps, go to WhatsApp. This is the app information page. Click on this option here, it's called force stop. And the second thing you have to do is go to the notifications management and then disable the notifications and enable them again. And last thing you have to do is go to this back to the settings, go to wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it. Now reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching the video or the tutorial until the very end. See you later.